Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn your boring browser into this. Yup, using your own image as the background in the Turn Off the Lights extension. It's free, it's easy, and it makes your screen look insane. Let's go! Step 1. Open your browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, doesn't matter. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Turn Off the Lights. It's the one with the little gray lamp icon. Click Add to Chrome, and bam, you're halfway there. After it's installed, right-click on the gray lamp icon in your browser and select Options from the menu. Now, click on the third tab. This is where you can change the dimmed layer to your own background image. Enable the radio button for custom background. Then, let's grab an image URL. I'm using one from my photo website. Just right-click the image and select Copy Image Address. Now go back to the Options page and paste the URL into the field provided. You'll see the preview at the top update with your image. Now switch back to your YouTube tab and click the gray lamp icon again. Boom! You'll now see your custom wallpaper as the dimmed background. Let's do it again with a different image, just to show how easy it is. Boom! Your image is now the background. Could be anime, outer space, your dog's face, whatever you want. Isn't that amazing? If this helped you out even a little bit, hit that like button like you're smashing a light switch in a power outage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.